Hello, good morning and welcome to all of you. I am Rajesh and I am here to present a new lecture on the gasotransmitters in the plant. So friend, this is also a new topic and one of the important topic for the plant science students. And in this lecture, we will discuss that what is gasotransmitters, what are the different types of gasotransmitters present in the plants, and what are the important role of these gasotransmitters in the plants. So let's start that. What is gasotransmitters? So gasotransmitters, these are the small gaseous molecules which are synthesized by the living organisms like plants and that perform signaling function. So friend, this is the definition of gasotransmitters, that gasotransmitters are the small gaseous, क्योंकि जो वर्ड है वो gasotransmitters, gaseous means gaseous transmitters means gaseous molecules which are synthesized by the living plants and that perform the signaling functions. Okay, so the main gasotransmitters in plants are the nitrogen monoxides, carbon monoxides and the hydrogen sulfide. So these three are the important gasotransmitters present in the plants. Which one is this? Nitrogen monoxides, carbon monoxides and the hydrogen sulfide. So these three are work as a important or main gasotransmitters. Next, recently some other gasotransmitters such as hydrogen, that is H2, methane, CH4 and the gaseous phytohormone, it is C2H4, that is ethylene. These three also work as a gasotransmitters in the plant. Okay. So what is the important function? So these molecules are able to pass through the cellular membranes. Also they functions independently of specific receptors and also they can be generated by the enzyme. So friend, these are the characteristics of the gasotransmitters, that they can able to pass through the cellular membranes. Also they can function independently of specific receptors. Also they can generated by the enzymes. Okay, so they also can react with specific cellular target components. Okay, whatever the component of the signaling, so they can react with them. Also they can closely interact with other signaling molecules. Okay, so this is basic information about the gasotransmitters. Now come to the functions of the gasotransmitters. So these gasotransmitters have very important functions in the cell signaling. Okay, the second function is the regulation of the cell cycle. Okay, so these gasotransmitters regulate the cell cycle. Third important function is they have important role during the seed germination, hypocotyl elongation. Okay, so they have important role in the seed germination process. Also they have important function during the rhizogenesis, that is known as development of the root. Okay, also this is also one of the important functions, that these gasotransmitters can crosstalk. Crosstalk means they can cross or connect with other PGRs, plant growth regulators, like phytohormones or the synthetic growth regulators. Okay, next they can crosstalk with the biosynthesis and the metabolism pathway. Okay, so they can regulate some steps in the biosynthesis and metabolism pathway. So they have important role in the metabolic regulations or the synthesis of the macro compounds or micro compounds. Also they have important role in the antioxidant defense. So they increase the antioxidant activities such as superoxide dismutase, catalase. Okay, so they improve the antioxidant defense in the plant. Next function, they have important role in the reprogramming of the stress responsive genes. Means they regulate the stress responsive genes such as HSP. Okay, or there are so many genes which are responsive to the abiotic or biotic stresses. Also, they have important role in the adaptation to the unfavorable condition such as drought, salinity, heat, and other many stresses. So friends, this is about the gasotransmitters, that these are the new compounds or new molecules in the plant science which have a number of numerous roles in the plant growth and development. So thank you very much.